Have you ever wondered if something as ordinary as a shower could quietly steal your energy, your balance, or even your peace of mind? As strange as it sounds, the way you bathe after 60 matters more than ever. Not because you're fragile, because you're wise. And wisdom means noticing the small things, before they become big problems. Today, we'll walk gently through 5 common bathing habits that quietly hurt your health as you age, habits so normal, most people don't even notice them. But once you do, everything changes. Your skin. Your safety. Even your sense of calm. Did you know that this seemingly harmless habit, bathing in very hot water, could silently be damaging your health every single day? When we were younger, soaking in hot water felt like heaven. It relaxed aching muscles, eased stress after a long day, and brought a sense of comfort and safety. But after 60, our bodies change, and that same comfort can quietly become a trap. Hot water strips away your skin's natural oils, oils that become even more vital as your skin thins, dries, and becomes more fragile with age. Cracked, dry skin not only causes itchiness, but it also becomes more prone to infections and takes longer to heal. But that's not all. Have you ever felt dizzy, experienced a racing heart, or lost your balance right after a shower? Chances are, the hot water caused your blood vessels to expand too much, leading to a sudden drop in blood pressure. For older adults, especially those on heart medications or managing high blood pressure, this can be dangerously serious. Imagine this: a beautiful morning, you step into the bathroom, turn on your usual hot water. But just a few minutes later, you feel lightheaded, you slip, and you fall, all because of that comforting water. Here's the good news: you don't have to give up the soothing feel of a bath. Simply lower the water temperature to a comfortably warm level, not hot enough to redden the skin or feel like burning. Then, apply a moisturizer right after patting yourself dry to lock in hydration. Remember, bathing isn't just about getting clean, it's a chance to care for, listen to, and honor your body. At this age, every small habit is a message to your future self. Bathing too often, when too clean, becomes a problem. There's a belief many of us grew up with: you must bathe every day to be clean and respectable. But after 60, that might not be true anymore. Bathing too frequently, especially full-body showers with soap every single day, not only removes dirt but also strips away natural oils and the beneficial microbes living on your skin. The result? Dry, itchy skin, pH imbalance, infections, and cracking, and that's just the beginning. Many geriatric doctors now recommend that older adults bathe their full body only 2 to 3 times a week, while still cleaning essential areas daily, like the armpits, groin, feet, and hands. I once met a 78-year-old woman with constantly flaking, red skin. She had tried every cream imaginable. But after following a doctor's advice to reduce shower frequency and switch to a gentle body wash, her skin calmed down within 2 weeks. It wasn't medication or magic, it was simply knowing when to stop being too clean. Understand this: bathing is for wellness, not to prove anything to anyone. Self-care after 60 is no longer about sticking to old habits, it's about listening to your body, knowing when to pause, and when to change. Bathing without safety supports, 1 second of carelessness, a lifetime of regret. Did you know the bathroom is one of the most dangerous places for older adults? And here's the scary part: most accidents could be prevented with just 1 grab bar. Picture this: a regular morning, you step into the bathroom, steam rises, the floor is slippery. You reach for the soap, and in 1 small slip, everything changes. A broken hip, loss of mobility, loss of independence. All because a simple grab bar was missing from the wall. I once spoke with an 83-year-old man who had always been healthy and independent. But because he hadn't installed a grab bar, he slipped in the bathroom and was bedridden for nearly 6 months. "If I had spent just a few dollars on a grab bar," he said through tears, "I wouldn't have lost my life as I knew it." Don't wait until it's too late. Install grab bars, anti-slip mats, and shower chairs. These aren't signs of weakness, they're symbols of wisdom and self-love. You've spent your life caring for others. Now it's time to protect yourself, so every bath is safe, soothing, and filled with dignity. Ignoring skin changes, when your skin whispers warnings you can't afford to miss. Here's something rarely talked about. Your skin after 60 is one of the most valuable health indicators, and each bath is a chance to read what your body is trying to say. But too often, bathing becomes a mindless routine. Turn on the water, wash, dry, leave, without ever really observing the skin. A small mole that suddenly grows, a patch of dry skin that won't heal, or a sore behind your leg that doesn't go away, these can be early signs of skin cancer, diabetes, circulation issues, or chronic infections. I once spoke with 74-year-old Ms. Han. Her grandchild noticed a dark patch on her back and pointed it out. It turned out to be an early sign of basal cell carcinoma, thankfully, caught in time. Simple habits like gently rubbing your body while showering, checking hard-to-see areas like the back of your neck or behind the knees, can help you catch dangerous conditions early. Remember, bathing isn't just about getting clean, it's about connecting with your body. Don't ignore even the smallest changes. The earlier you notice, the sooner you can take control of your health and your independence. Rushing through the shower, when speed kills safety and peace. Have you ever thought, let me shower quickly to save time, water, and avoid the cold? After 60, rushing in the bathroom isn't just a habit, it's a risk. A risk that can lead to slips, falls, strokes, or losing balance the moment you turn off the shower. Ms. Mai, 76, used to proudly say, I only take 4 minutes to shower. Until one day, stepping out, she felt dizzy, slipped, and broke her hip, a life-changing injury that threatened her independence. Bathing is an intimate moment between you and your body. Don't treat it like a task to get over with. When you rush, you forget to dry your feet properly, you ignore dizziness from sudden temperature shifts, and you lose touch with your breath. Try slowing down, turn on the water a few minutes early to warm the room, place a small stool inside to rest, take a deep breath before standing. Turn your shower into a healing ritual, a time for gentleness, not a race. Because after 60, speed is no longer the prize. Safety is. Most people don't even notice them. But once you do, everything changes. Your skin. Your safety. Even your sense of calm. Ban ko beat rang, doi quen tuong nu vo hai nai, tam bang nuak that nong, lai dang im tam hui hai suc ko qua ban moi gay. Kai con tre, cam giak duak ngam min trong lan nuak nong ko the la thien duong. No zoa dio kak ko down huck, jup Thursday John sao mo tige dai, mang lai cam giak and ton va de chiu. En hung sao tuoi 60, ko the kong con jong nu truok. Va chin du de chiu I lai tiro ton mot tsai bayam tam. Nuak qua nong se tuak di lop dao tu nin trenda, lop bao vcuc ky quan trong, not la kai de ban de tro nan mong han, de ko va de tun thuang han theo tuoi tak. Lop de ko nut kong chi gay engwa nai, ma con de nim trung, va vet thuang ti lao lan han rat nu. En hung du chua phi la tat ca. Ban ko tung cam thay chong mat, tim dap en han hok dung kong vung sao kai tam zong chua. Rat ko the nuak nong de lam mak mao john no qua muc, dan den tut huyet ap dotengot. Voi nuoi chow tuoi, dac beat la en hung ai dang dung thuak tim mak hay by chow huyet ap, de la mot moi noi team and cuc ky niem trong. Hey tuong tuong mot sang dep troy, ban buk veo fong tam, mo voi nuak nong nu thuong lo. En hung chi vi foot sao du, ban thay chong vang, truat chan, na soang, chi vi